everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a little haul. I got 3 orders from Etsy shops yesterday, so just wanted to share with you. And before I do that, I just wanted to say thank you so much for making my Etsy store reopening such a success. I am going to be mailing for days. It's so awesome. And I just want to thank you so much for the support. It was really, really fun to have so much activity yesterday. And I hope you all will just love your vintage goodies and the things that you got. So thank you again for your wonderful support. So 3 orders came yesterday. I think this is the end of my of my last shopping spree. First one came from Denise at A Tattered Dream. Denise had some new things in her store, and I, as you know, I'm on her design team. I love Denise, and I love her store, and I just can't say enough good things about her. She is a sweet, sweet soul. So anyway, what I got was some of this pom-pom trim. And I'm excited about it because it's lavender, and I did my little series of 3 lavender TNs, and I'm definitely going to do some more. So I'm excited to have that to play with. And then this is my current favorite lace. I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. I love the shine of it, and yeah. So I got some more of that. And then along the lines of the lace, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this lace. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just love it. It's such a cool length too. I mean, it would fit a page for a flip, or it would be a good, nice, deep pocket, or oh my gosh, possibilities there for sure. And then love this one too. I love the delicate little embroider on this one. So pretty. And then I got some, I guess you could call them utilitarian sort of things. I got, well, first of all, I got these vintage cards. They're so cool. They're yellowed, and they're really fun. So got those. And these new little corners that Denise is carrying, which I think are super cute. And then I needed some more bulb pins too from Denise's shop. So that is what I ordered. Let's see, this goes in here, I guess. So I will link Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream, down below. As well, I will link the other 2 shops too, just so you can see. So yeah, just showing you quickly because I have mailing to do. But I wanted to share a little bit of what I got. Okay, so this was an 85-piece pack from fabric thread, one or the other. It'll be in the description box. And it's feed sack material, and just little pieces of it. So I love some of them. Like, I love this one. Let's see, can you see that well in the camera? Yeah, you can see it pretty well. Yeah, I mean, they're all kind of cool, but there's some that I just really like more than others. Like, look at that. That's pretty. Yeah, so 85 little pieces of this, and because it is vintage, it's a little bit expensive, but I think they're going to be super fun to play with. And I don't know, I love the feel of this fabric. It's really it's thin because it's old. And yeah, there's just so many designs, and that's kind of why I wanted this pack of 85, was just to get a bunch of different designs and stuff. So anyway, so got those, and she sent along a little thank you packet to, I'll put that in later, of some just tiny squares. So I think there's, half a dozen or so in there that she sent as a free gift. Yeah, so that is that. And then this one might take a little longer to go through. I'm excited to go through it though. So this, I got my retro kit from Selena at Amore Fabriques. So I looked a little bit at it, but I haven't completely gone through it. So let's do that. This is a tag by Jennifer Getz, and I'll show you her card. I was trying to read her YouTube, but I'll just hold it up there for a second. So you can pause the video if you want to check her out. But she made this cute little tag with retro images, and so that was in here. And then I really wanted to dig into this, the fabrics and the trim and stuff. So a little pom-pom trim, some other trim. Let's see. Let me get up here. That's cool. That's really soft. This looks like it's a piece of a vintage tablecloth. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at this. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then just some cotton. But these little pieces, it's just fun to have a great variety of them, just like the feed sack, just because you have the opportunity then to have a lot of different fabrics in your journals. And look at this one with the little teddy bears and stuff. And they're the size that you can do a flip or a pocket, and and then you're done with that piece. But that's the fun part about getting scraps. Ooh, look at this. This is fun. It's a big quilt square. That's really cool. That'll make a fun journal cover, won't it? And then this is a, I'm not sure what kind of fabric this is, but it's pretty. That would be pretty for an autumn journal, wouldn't it? Oh goodness, so many ideas, so little time. Okay, that is the fabric. Then let's see what's in this sack. Looks like all sorts of small ephemera. So let's see if I can get it out without squashing anything. Okay. Oh yes, there's all sorts of things in here. Okay, so there's buttons. There's seam binding, black seam binding. I don't know that I have any black, so that's great. Oh, there's this little whale applique. Some tickets from another country. They're kind of cardstock. Get out of jail. Vintage playing cards. Some little children's dictionary type things. Another playing card. An advertisement. One of the little flips from magazines. There's this little package. It's got some S&H green stamps in it and some other stamps and a little bingo thing. Fun postcard. Some recipe cards. Little savings and loan record. Another little recipe card. Just another old vintage form, it looks like. We've got 4 coin rolls. Love those. Make those into, oh, here's another one. So 5 coin rolls. A little game piece there. Oh, I can't get it up because it's a library pocket. Wow, she really gives you lots of stuff. Little Monopoly card, a couple of library cards. This is just a little piece of paper. Fun little play money. And S&H green stamps. Yahtzee. And a couple of big recipe cards. And then another game piece. So lots of fun ephemera to play with there. Lots of fun stuff. So, okay. So then, getting to the bigger things, we'll do that later. Oh, we got pattern. This is, they usually have the dates on them. Let me see if I can see it. Oh, it's so tiny. 1970. And there's the lady's name, Norma Jean Fox. That's sweet. It's Selena. Norma Jean was my mom's name. That's cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, Selena. So she knows I'm going to do a circus journal. So look what she put in my pack. Oh, look at this awesome clown stamp. Clown definition tickets. Clown playing card. Little airmail thing. A page from Clowns. And an old Midway picture. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Selena. That's the amazing thing about Selena is really her customer service is so good. And she gets to know you and knows what you're working on. And she's just awesome about finding stuff that will help you. So my circus journal, she's given me many things for my Shirley Temple journal that still is yet to be. Oh my gosh, Selena, I love this. This is so the colors of my teenage years. I love that napkin. That's so cool. So fun. Okay, so this is a recipe out of an old recipe book. Oh, a fun retro card. That's really cool. And a page out of a children's book. Oh, those are sweet, sweet images. Looks like a sewing page. And this one looks like it's out of a Work Basket magazine. And this one, oh, fun, fun, fun. I love those. And Stretch and Sew shopping list. That's fun. I feel like I remember those from the old fabric store that was here in my town. Oh, an awesome recipe card. I'm doing some recipe books, so that's awesome, Selena. Thank you. And a game piece and a ledger piece and another sewing piece. Oh my gosh, that's old paper. Oh, see, as I said, so here's a little picture of sweet little Shirley Temple. Thank you, Selena. It really does mean so much that you just know what we're doing and support that. Now I just have to do it. I have to get Shirley Temple in at some point. These children's pages are awesome too. Oh, I love these. Love these. I think these are the Childcraft books maybe, or I'm not sure, but oh, and this is an end paper from a book. That's cool. And then some vintage music. So cool. Fred McMurray. Wow. Thank you, Selena. I love my retro kit. It's awesome, and you're so sweet to really just support what we do. So anyway, guys, that's my haul. Check out the 3 shops below. Yes, A Tattered Dream has so many items and lots of new stuff. And then you guys need to watch Selena's YouTube channel, Amore Fabriques, too, because before she does a kit, she shows it on her channel. So So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this haul, and we will just see you next time. Bye bye.